Welcome to Joe's Rent Reviews. I'm Joe. Thank you for joining me today, folks. Today we're over at the local RV dealership and we're looking at the Northern Lite 811. Now this is made in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. Very popular. It's laid out super nice. We're going to do a walk around and a tour of the inside. So stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. Thank you for joining me on Joe's Rent Reviews. Now we're going to have a look at the outside of this camper before we go inside, and I will put up a diagram so you can see the inside setup. Now we're looking on the outside here and you can see this fantastic deck. It's all steel and it's really stable. You don't have to worry about wobbling up the stairs, which I think is super handy. It feels like it's actually part of the camper. And looking at the back, you've got your safety handle, you've got your ladder that'll take you up to the roof. This camper comes equipped with 4-point electric jacks, and you can see the two in the back right here. Now we know that these campers are built very well. It's got the 2-cap system. So what does that mean? It means that this camper is built with 2 pieces, and it's a cap system. The top end is a cap and the bottom end is a cap. They put them together and then they seal that seam. It's a great way to alleviate any kind of water intrusion. So it's definitely a sought after method. And Northern Lite is not the only company that uses the cap system. As we move along, you can see a small compartment here on the one side, along with 2 access panels and a side light. This truck camper comes equipped with dual propane tanks, and for ease of access, these 2 propane tanks are sitting on a platform where you can grab a hold of the bottom and you can slide them both out, which makes it much easier to access that rear propane tank. Now here's a front view of the Northern Lite, and this Northern Lite also comes with a little window. It allows for the truck window and the camper window and the rear door to be lined up so you can actually have a view of what's behind you. The front 2 electric support jacks are on either side of that window on the corner. There's a water access fill location, and to the right of that you can see your access for the hot water tank. Moving along, you've got your electrical cord storage location, your city water fill, and your outside hot and cold shower, which is super handy. Now it's time to go inside. But first, let's have a look at the diagram so you can see how it's laid out. If you're getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. As we make our way inside the truck camper, you can see it's got a really nice floor. Looking over to the left, you've got your wet-dry bathroom. Now this bathroom is quite unique. It's actually sectioned off. So on the right side of the bathroom, you can see that there's the mirror, the faucet for the sink and for the shower. Your curtain can go in between the toilet and the shower, so it keeps the toilet area nice and dry, but yet you can have a separate showering area. I've never seen a setup like this before. I thought it was super cool, and it's a great way to utilize the small space in a bathroom. Now let's move along and we'll have a look at the inside of this camper. Now the bathroom door is on the left. That's like a barn style door which slides in and out. It's got a nice mirror attached to it. Right across from that is your full size refrigerator, and that's got a mirror on top of that. Really makes it look really nice. It shows off the camper as being way bigger than it actually is, but there's actually plenty of space here inside this 811. I like to make note of the beautiful finishes in the cabinetry in this Northern Lite camper. The cabinetry is a beautiful red cherry wood. It is absolutely stunning. The fit and finish is really nice and it really shines. Now let's have a closer look at this kitchen. You can see the beautiful cabinetry. There's lots of storage up top. There's a towel rack and a little spice rack on the left. You've got a little window there above the sink and the stove. You can see the stovetop here has got a 3-burner stove and oven, which is a really nice touch. This camper comes with a smaller countertop, but it does come with a multi-use sink cover, which you could use as an extension of the countertop. And it's equipped with a stainless single sink, but it's actually a larger sink, so that's kind of nice. Let's open up some cupboards here. You can look and see the space that it has inside, which allows you space for a microwave. You've got a full-size freezer and refrigerator, and it comes with a couple of drawers there at the very bottom of the fridge. I really like the fact that it comes with a good size fridge. Having just a little cooler box in some of these RVs just doesn't do it for me. But at the end of the day is what suits your needs. If a smaller or a larger fridge is what you like, that's what matters. All in all, I think this kitchen is a great setup. I really like the dinette on the other side of the kitchen, which gives you a spot to sit around, have your breakfast, dinner, and as a bonus, this dinette breaks down and turns into a bed. So it's great use of space for sure. Down below you can see there's a couple more drawers here for storage. And now we can move ahead and have a look at the bedroom area. Now I really like the feeling inside this camper. I stand inside the middle here and I'm about 5'10" and my head doesn't even come close to the ceiling. It just looks like an open concept living type of setup. Moving around here, it just feels large, it just feels big, and I feel like I've got lots of space. It's easy to crawl up into the bed here. It's a queen size bed. It's a full size queen size bed. I have no issue lying in this bed and it's got plenty of space. This camper comes equipped with more cupboard space on the right side, which I really like. I like the fact that it comes with a skylight and windows on both sides. It really lets in a lot of natural light. It's really quite nice. Northern Lite added a countertop with a cupboard underneath. And they've added a television that's mounted on a fully adjustable arm that rotates to wherever you want to put it. As I spin around, you can see how spacious the inside of this little camper is. It's got tons of space. It actually ticks off every box. The one thing this camper doesn't have is air conditioning, but it does have the max air fan, which does suck out a lot of the heat or can bring in a lot of cool air from the outside. So it does work. However, if you plan to camp in really hot climates, then maybe having an air conditioner installed might be a good idea. So in conclusion, I really like the Northern Lite 811. I think this is a fantastic camper. This camper could be carried on a long box or a short box pickup truck, and they come in different sizes. So if you're in the market for a truck camper and it's what you're looking for, don't overlook the Northern Lite. Thank you for joining me on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know what you think of this. Do you like it? Let me know if it's something that you would consider. Is it something that you would purchase? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like smaller RVs, compact RVs, RVs that you can tow with an SUV or a small vehicle, check out this video right here. Please give this video a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.